shiny red. B for ball beside my bed. C for cat who loves to purr. D for dog with fluffy fur. Choo, choo, the alphabet train, riding through sunshine and rain. Letters together shout hooray! Learning our ABCs today. Big and gray. F for fish who swims away. G for goat on the grassy hill. H for hat that fits me still. Choo, choo, the alphabet train, riding through sunshine and rain. Letters together shout hooray! We're learning our ABCs today. I for ice cream, cold and sweet. J for jump with happy feet. K for kite up in the blue. L for lamp that shines for you. M for monkey that jumps for you. N for nest with chirping birds. O for octopus waving tentacles. P for piano. So many letters, come and see. Q for queen waving her hand. R for sky, S for sun. T for tree, tall and green. All aboard, just sing with me. U for umbrella when skies are gray. V for violin, we love to play. W for whale, so big and round. X marks treasure we have found. Y for yo-yo, spinning high. Z for zebra, zooming by. Every letter's on the train. Let's sing the alphabet again. Choo, choo, the alphabet train, riding through sunshine and rain. A to Z, we've come the way. We learned our ABCs today.